Alright, so we have here a Vivobook S series laptop, the S16 to be specific. It says here that the packaging is 100% recyclable, which is always a nice thing, especially for the environment. The box in general is very simple, with the usual battery info, the quick specs stickers, another specs in the side, and an Asus logo on the other side. Okay, let's open the box now. This laptop is equipped with a Ryzen AI 9 HX370 CPU with a built-in AMD Radeon 890M GPU. It has a 16 inches 3.2K 120Hz monitor, 24 gigs of soldered non-upgradable RAM, and 1 TB of SSD. It has an NPU rated for 50 TOPS or 50 trillions of process per second. We have the usual paperwork here, which nobody ever reads, so let's put that aside. And in this small compartment inside the box, we have the very huge 90-watt charging brick. This is really big, and it is a USB Type-C charging, which what each and every devices these days should be. Let's push for a universal USB Type-C charging for all electronic devices in the whole world. And this is the one referred to in the printed reusable partition outside the box. There is an instruction here which I believe can turn this top part of the box to be a laptop stand. Nice touch, Asus. And in the side of box, we have another compartment which hosts the power cable. It is a 3-prong connector to the charging brick. Alright, let's get to the main event now. The laptop itself. They went to a minimalist elegant design here with a plain silver color and a subtle and small shiny Asus Vivobook lettering here in the right side. I like it. It's not flashy and looks very professional. Let's do a one-hand opening test now. And it passed the test. We can open the laptop using one hand. Nice. The keyboard color follows the body color as well, and the laptop can open flat up to 180 degrees. We again have a subtle Vivobook logo here at the bottom of the screen bezel. The S16 has a backlit chiclet keyboard with one zone RGB lighting and a number pad, which is as complete as keyboard package you can get from a laptop. The touchpad is big and has special controls when swiping from the sides. The right edge controls the brightness, the left edge the volume, and the top edge is for video search or scrolling. Sticker placements and prints are good as well. I'm not a fan of how they place the stickers on the left side though. They certainly could do better than this. The body of the laptop feels sturdy with its aluminum body, which gives it a sleek, durable, and lightweight design, making it both stylish and very portable considering its size. We have a wide vents at the bottom of the laptop and some rubber feet at the front and a rubber bar just beside the vents to facilitate airflow. S16 is just 1.39 centimeters thick and very lightweight for a 16 inches laptop at only 1.5 kilograms. It is also rich in ports, with the left side having an HDMI 2.1, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, another USB Type-C which is a USB 4 that supports external display, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm combo jack. At the back side we have more air vents, and at the left side we have two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, along with the charging and power LED light indicators. As indicated in the video title, this is just an unboxing and quick specs overview of the Asus Vivobook S16. I of course need to use it first before I can give you the full review of it. I'll be using this mainly for video editing and I am very excited to play around with it. Watch out for the review video in the coming weeks. Stay tuned to the channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Asus for watching. No bear.